Today, we are going to be discussing the Cambridge IELTS Academic Book 15 Test 4, the Writing Task 2, Advantages or Disadvantages. In some countries, children are often told that they can achieve anything if they try hard enough. What are the advantages and disadvantages of giving children this message? Now this 40-minute, 250-word essay can be written in 4 paragraphs. In the introduction, mention the topic and your opinion. In para 1, discuss the advantages. In para 2, discuss the disadvantages. And finally, summarize the essay. The following slides will show how this essay can be written. Do note the linking words in red and vocabulary in blue. Now in the introduction, mention the topic and your opinion. There are some people who encourage their children by telling them that they could achieve anything if they worked relentlessly towards the achievement. All the same, there are a number of advantages and disadvantages of giving children such a message. And in this essay, I will discuss the reasons for my opinion. Now in para 1, discuss the advantages. Motivating children by teaching them to work hard has a number of benefits. To begin with, doing so promotes confidence and self-esteem and instills a belief in one's own abilities. It also encourages a sense of persistence where children can perceive in the face of setbacks. Moreover, such a message can foster ambition in a child where he or she believes that they can achieve higher goals. And lastly, children tend to see effort and perseverance as keys to their success rather than to depend on their innate abilities. Now in para 2, discuss the disadvantages. On the other hand, there are a number of disadvantages of giving such an impression to the young and inexperienced minds. For a start, they could develop unrealistic expectations that could lead to disappointment or feeling of inadequacy if they are unable to achieve their goals despite their efforts. They could also experience a sense of burnout in cases where they are not successful despite constantly striving to achieve something. And finally, summarize the essay. Overall, while encouraging children to believe in their ability to achieve anything can be empowering, it is also important to consider the limitations of such a message, and thus this message can have advantages as well as disadvantageous outcomes. The next slide will show the entire essay. You can pause to read at your own pace. Thank you for watching.